Hello friend, my name is Prathamesh Khate and today is a non-technical topic that name is a constructor in a Java. So the Java constructor is a technology used to construct something something in a program. A constructor in a Java is a special method that is used to initialize object. The constructor is called when an object of an class is created. It can be used to set initial values of object attributes. There are more question is that what is the constructor in a Java? So in a Java, a constructor is a block of code similar to the method. It is a special type of method in a Java. It is called when you instance of the class in created at the time of calling the constructor. Constructor memory of the object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method that is used to initialize the object. Every time, every time an object is created using the new keyword. New keyword in at last one constructor is called how Java constructor are different from Java methods. So the constructor must have the uh, same same name as the class within which it is defined. It is not necessary for the method in a Java. Constructor do not have any return type, any type of while methods having the return type or a void if does not return any values. Constructor are called only once at a time of object creation, while method logs can be called any members of times. If you think your class is not a subclass, it is actually the every class in a Java is the subclass of a class object. Object is a parent class of all class. Even if you don't say extend objects in your class definition, type of your class definition, types of constructor in Java. So there are new now we now is the correct time to discuss the type of constructor. So primarily there are three types of constructor in Java. So means first one is a default constructor, and the second one is a parameterized constructor, and third one is a copy constructor. So let's discuss about default constructor. So default constructor in Java is a constructor that has no parameter, is known as a default of a constructor. Default constructor. A default constructor is a invisible, and if we write a constructor with no arguments, the compiler does not create a default constructor. It is a out taken out. It is a being overloaded and called a programmerized constructor, parameterized constructor. Their default constructor changed into the parameterized constructor, but parameterized constructor change can change the default constructor. The default constructor can be implicitly or explicitly. If we don't declare a specific specify, we get one impact implicit default constructor. If we manually write a constructor, the implicit once is overridden. Second is a parameterized constructor in a Java. A constructor that has a parameter is known as a parameterized constructor. If we want to initialize filter of the class with out of on values, then we use a parameterized constructor. And third one is a copy constructor in Java. Unlike other constructor, copy constructor is a passed with the method another object within of copies and the default and the data available from the passed object to the newly created object. So this is the three type of constructor we see, and this is all about constructor in a Java. Thank you.